Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Facebook Marketplace block. If your Facebook Marketplace access is blocked, don't worry. You can still appeal and request a review. First, confirm that you're actually blocked by checking your messages or notifications for any restriction alerts. Once confirmed, go to your support inbox and see if Facebook provided a request review button. If it is there, simply click it, follow the instructions, and wait for the response. If not, head over to your Help Center by clicking your profile icon in the top right corner, selecting Help and Support, and then Help Center. From there, search for Appeal Marketplace Decision or Get Help with Marketplace. You can use this link to submit your review request. It's also smart to visit your account status page to check for any violations or blocks. Once you find the restriction notice, open it and file your appeal. Include screenshots of your listings, the restriction message, and a short note explaining that you've viewed Facebook's commerce policies and are committed to following them. Be calm, factual, and polite in your message. And once done, just wait for the reply to see if your Facebook Marketplace access can be restored. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.